Hello friends, in this video we will configure uplink port corresponding to the designated port. The main concept is to configure G1 for PON 1 and G2 for PON 2. Okay, let's configure VLANs for both ports. Click the create button, enter start VLAN and end VLAN and click apply. Click VLAN setting, port default VLAN, mark G1 as default and apply. Let's assign name to VLAN. We will repeat same procedure to create VLAN for G2. Create another VLAN. Configure default port and rename the VLAN. Let's now create a new line profile. Enter profile name, set profile ID to auto, configure T-count, and finally configure the jam port. Click the apply button to commit changes. Let's add another line profile for PON 2. Everything would be same like previous, only gem mapping have different VLAN. Let's confirm the first profile, also the second one to show VLAN mapping. Click Advanced Setting, PON Management and then PON Setting. Turn on the Auto Discovery for PON 1. Click Setting for Auto Profile Binding. Select the appropriate line profile for PON 1. Select the service profile and click Apply. Let's turn Auto Discovery on for also PON 2. Next step is to configure Auto Profile Binding for PON 2. Meanwhile, we can observe ONU auto registration notifications. That's okay. Both PON ports have been registered their ONUs. Here we need auto virtual port configuration. Let's do for PON 1 first. Enter specific gem port, service VLAN, and tag transform as transparent. Let's repeat the procedure for PON 2. Enter specific gem port, service VLAN, and set the tag transform. Everything fine now. Let's create WAN connection for ONU. Assign a name to connection. Set all particular parameters. Enable VLAN. Enter VLAN ID. Tag the ports and click apply. Let's repeat the function for registered ONU on PON 2. Name the connection. Configure appropriate WAN service. Enable VLAN. Enter VLAN ID for PON 2. Tag the ports and click apply. That's all. Thanks for watching.